Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Can you resend an email in Gmail? This is a frequent question for many users. The straightforward answer is no, not directly. Gmail does not offer a specific resend button for emails that have already been successfully sent and delivered. Once an email leaves your outbox, it's considered final. However, achieving the same outcome is very simple with a couple of workarounds. The most common and easiest method is to forward the original email. To do this, navigate to your Resend a folder in Gmail. Locate and open the specific email you wish to resend. Then, look for and click the Forward button, usually found near the top or bottom of the email. From there, you can easily add new recipients, adjust the subject line, or include additional text before sending it again. This option retains the full original message, including attachments. Another effective approach is to create a new email using the old content. Go to your Resend a folder and open the email you want to reuse. Carefully select all the text from the original message, then copy it. Next, click the Compose button to start a brand new email. Paste the copied content directly into the body of your new message. Now, you can add your intended recipients, craft a new subject, and make any necessary edits before hitting send. Both forwarding and composing a new message with copied content are excellent ways to effectively resend your email information. Keep in mind that the undo send option only gives you a brief window right after the initial send, not for resending older messages.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.